At sune kay Amerika Presidente Ferdinand Marcos Jr. para king kayang working visit hanggang April 14. Dintang yakayabing Philippine delegation kay Washington DC bandang 7:47 PM ning April 10 US time. Makasadyayang midaw ning kakaduang bilateral meeting pilata ng Marcos Jr. at US President Joe Biden ating makasalaysayang trilateral leaders summit na ng United States, Japan at Pilipinas. Apin nining mumunang pamikatagong misabi-sabi lari PBBM, Biden at Japan Prime Minister Fumio Kishida. Agpangkem Presidential Communications Office, kayabe ka rin makasadyarang pisabian ng economic ampong maritime cooperation dari nga lumbangsa. Nasa na rin ka ng Marcos Jr. apasik na nga ng partnership ka ng aduang superpowers, pangaras king critical infrastructure, semiconductors, digitalization ampong cybersecurity. King mera pa ta press briefing king White House, sinabi na ng Coordinator for Strategic Communication ng National Security Council ng White House ay John Kirby, antimong manimunang maritime democracy at tinya kanong shared vision ng Amerika, Japan at Pilipinas para kay Indo-Pacific.
Our three countries embark on this new era of trilateral cooperation as trusted, equal partners, guided by shared values and an unwavering commitment to a free, open, peaceful, and prosperous Indo-Pacific. The purpose of the bilateral meeting and, of course, the trilateral meeting is to discuss a wide range of areas where we are deepening our partnerships, deepening our cooperation, again, across a wide range of issues, not just in the security framework. That said, of course, we've been watching with concern PRC activities in the South China Sea.
Kayabe Justin Dizon, ako po yung kakain Talasuyo, Arlen Salonga, ating pusong makabalen.